All right, so I got these demos. All of these projects have become much, much easier. There are much better tools than were the last time I taught this class. 302, 303, and 310. So let's take a look at them. They're almost ridiculously easy. So 302 is running a vulnerability scanner. Now, they used to use something called the Quark vulnerability scanner, QARK, but it's gone and too hard to use. AndroBugs is a little bit annoying. You have to have a Linux machine, that's all. But you just git clone this thing and then run it, and it's just a Python script that you run, Python androbugs.py. And so this does the same. Now this will scan an APK. So you get the Yaazhini.apk from my website and just scan it, and it will just run, and in about a minute or so, it will finish. And it's a little bit annoying because it will just give you a ridiculously long path to a text file, and it's kind of a long, irritating text file. But it's still not too hard, and you'll see various vulnerabilities. So here, it tells you it uses runtime exec, which means this is an app that conforms lines of command line and executes them, which is a dangerous practice that might lead to code execution. Although it's just looking through the source code and finding that the exec command was used, it might be that the exec command does not contain anything controlled by the user. It's not smart enough to check for that. So, but here's the one that we know is bad. We looked at the GNMD before with dynamic analysis. This is the flaw where it does not verify the SSL. And so you find that, and there's a flag defined there. That's it. This is a serious vulnerability that we already knew was there, and we're just seeing if this vuln scanner can find it, and it totally finds it. It does not check the validation of the certificate, which is a flaw. So that's it. That's all there is for that one. And I think I'll just go on to the next one here. There, because this one is even easier. This used to be pretty hard, and I was struggling to make it work. Oh, wait, that still is 301. I'll fix that. It should be going to 303. I'll fix that after class or after this demo. But there's 303. I found this thing. This is Yaazhini, this free Android vuln scanner, and it's great, and it is incredibly easy. You just download this thing. It has Windows and Mac versions. So once you install it, it gives you a page like this. And you can scan an APK. You just give your project a name and choose your file and feed in that Genie, and then just scan it, and it will open this page and give you general information about the app, and it's got some tabs up here, and you can just go to the Vulnerabilities tab. And it tells you that you have 1,400 insecure communications because this app doesn't use HTTPS at all, and it makes... So every time it uses any networks, it's going to warn that. So this many copies of the same one. And then it has man-in-the-middle attack, HTTP client, Java. And down here, it gives you a description of the problem. And you can even see the code. So this is a great product, incredibly easy to use. And so I gave you this one. And then down here, there's another one, which it considers medium, which is it's using the wrong mode for encryption. We're talking about this in the cryptography class. It's doing electronic codebook mode instead of more secure modes, and this one even tells you what the more secure mode you should use in, and I made that the flag. So again, extremely easy and fun, and like I said, it's getting much easier to find Android flaws. All right, and the last one I wanted to show you was 310. Right, and so I'm going to stop this video, make a separate video for that, because that's somewhat different. Stop.